My name is Lachlan McLaren and we are on the Jalna Dairy Farm in Coyiga, and I'm part of the family that owns the Jalna business. So Jalna's been in my family for 43 years now. I'm third generation. The dairy farm we've owned for roughly about 21 years, which has been supplying organic milk for all of our organic products ever since. We use the Australian Organic Bud logo because it's the most recognised for consumers, that they know that they can trust they're getting a certified organic product. We want to supply one of the cleanest, healthiest products that's made from pure 100% Australian milk.
The milk we produce here is clean. There's no nasty chemicals, there's no synthetic fertilisers, there's no drugs or penicillins. We produce around about 2.5 million litres a year. We try and grow all our own crops as much as we can. We grow our own grain as much as we can to put into a pellet that we have produced at a mill locally. It's all certified. We're looking after the soil. I think we get cleaner, better tasting milk. Our cows tend to live longer than conventional cows. We don't push them, we let them produce what they need to produce over the length of their natural lifetime. It's family owned, it's family operated. My family's been given the opportunity to work here on this farm for 21 years.
There's a lot of misleading packaging out there around organic products, and it's important to have one recognised logo for organic products that shows that these products have gone through a rigorous testing process and they have been certified as organic. It's important to have one recognisable logo for the organic industry because organic farming is hard and there's a lot of work that goes into it. The bud shows that we don't use any synthetic chemicals and that the products are as close to how nature intended it to be. It demonstrates to our customers that they can trust where their food is coming from and it's truly organic. So when you see the bud, you can have the confidence that the product has been verified from the cow to the supermarket shelf. It's the Bud Guarantee.